Hey, we're going to change the cabin air filter on this 2014 Jeep Cherokee. This is a similar process on other Jeep and Chrysler vehicles. Don't make the mistake that I did. Don't wait as long to change out your air filter. So I picked up this EcoGuard air filter here. I'll link it in the description if you want to check it out. But purchasing this on your own and changing this by yourself is going to save you a lot of money. So the cabin air filter on this vehicle, it's located behind this panel right here. So we're going to go ahead and unclip this cover. You can see there's some tabs right here. Just be delicate with it, but this pops right off. All right, so to access the air filter, it's right here. So we got to take this cover off first. We're going to start at the top. And then we're going to take this cover off here. You can see where it clips in up top. And then we're going to go ahead and pull the air filter out. Now you can see how dirty this old filter is. You can see everything coming out. Look at all that junk that this captured. And then these air filters, there's a directional arrow. So make sure you put this in the correct way. So the airflow is coming from the front of the vehicle towards the back. And you can see all the junk from the outside got trapped there. So make sure you reference these arrows on your filter and make sure you put it in the right way. Now I got our new clean filter. I mean, you can see the difference right there. Now we're going to reinstall this. So we got it lined up. That pushes right in. We're going to take our clip. This part's going to go up top. Clips right in. Then we're going to take our cover piece here. This clip right here is going to connect right in here. Get that clipped in, and then you can pop your other clips in on the left side, and you're good to go. Don't make the mistake that I did. Don't wait as long to change out your air filter. There's no way my AC and my heat were operating as efficient as they could have. There's definitely blockage in the airflow, and you can see how important this truly is. So don't be an idiot like me. Make sure you do this about every 15,000 miles or once a year.